This is my BV 250 by Piaggio, and I've had problems with this ever since I got it. It has a constant drip on the cooling system. So it's dripping coolant, and it only seems to drip after the engine is shut off, and it's been sitting for a while. So I'm going to cover off how to take a look at the cooling system and how to fix this. To get to where the piping is for the coolant system, I have to take off the floor tread. That's this complete side unit, and to do that, open up the fuel cover and take out these screws, this screw, and then there's screws under here. Take them out, and then there's another screw right here, and then it should come right off. So I've got the side cover off, and now I can see one of the connections. So this is the bottom of the radiator, and there's one of the pipes, and it's one of these crimp-on connectors. So that's done at the factory, and well, that kind of connector is cheap, easy to put on, and well, you get what you pay for. And now to look at the other side. So here's the other side. This one's clearly not leaking, just like on the other side. So one pipe comes from here, another comes from the other side. Here's the water pump. Again, we've got the two useless connectors. Now it goes into the side of the engine. I thought for sure this was the source of my drip, so I put on a screw-on clamp right there, as you can see, and that didn't fix it. So I'm just going to do some more looking to see. I'm sure there's one more water pipe somewhere I'm going to track down. This one here seems to go up above, so I'm going to see if I can look under the seat and find it there. So I've just found the source of my leak, and I think I've just fixed it. So underneath this cover in the luggage compartment, there's another water hose, and it was held on with one of those useless connectors, and it was misplaced, and the only thing holding this hose in place was the top cover. So as the pressure would build, then the fluid would leak and come out over time. So what I've done is I've put on a screw type clamp, screw type hose clamp, and hopefully that'll fix it. So there's the fuel injection, throttle body, fuel injection. They've got proper hose clamps here. I don't know why they used the shitty crimp-on ones there when they should have used one of these. So in conclusion, you've got a total of 6 connections on these pipes. 2 on the radiator, 1 on each side. You've got 2 on the water pump, and in and out, 1 on the engine right here, and then you've got 1 in the top right here. So a total of 6. They're all held on with these Mickey Mouse use and throw away type connectors that can't be tightened. And in this case, it was assembled incorrectly at the factory. The only thing that saved me from total disaster was this cover that was keeping the hose clamp on the engine. Anyways, problem fixed, and I should be okay.